So welcome to another episode of Paul's Asian Adventure. In this one, I have a friend who's selling two houses in Negros Oriental in Dumaguete. Actually, it's in Bacong in a subdivision. The first house that we're looking at here is actually the house that I rented for almost 2 years while living in the Bacong Dumaguete area. This house is about 70 square meters. It has 2 bedrooms and an open kitchen to the sitting room, which personally I love. It makes the house seem much bigger than it is. All the furniture that you see, as well as the fridge, washing machine, and oven, all comes with the sale. Basically, my friend, he's going back to Europe, so he's selling everything. So it includes all furniture and all kitchen and washers and all that. TVs also are included. So basically everything you see in here. This is actually a storage room, what you're looking at right now, and it actually goes between the 2 houses. So this is 2 houses for sale for 6.5 million pesos, which currently is, this is the second room, which I actually use as an office. And 6.5 million pesos, I'm putting in my calculator right now to see how much that is. That's roughly $120,000 depending on the rate of the US dollar to peso. So here's the bathroom. It has a hot water heater and also a washer that you can use there. I never use the washer. I just took the stuff to the washing people as it's so cheap. But hey, if you want to wash, there's a washer included. And there is 2 air cons in here. As you can see, one is in the sitting room. The second one is in the master bedroom that we'll be going in shortly. As you can see, it's a pretty open space and a pretty large house for a small family or a single guy. So this is the master bedroom. So as you can see, the master bedroom has plenty of space. It used to have a TV in there, so we can easily put a TV back in there if you want to. Also has the aircon, the split type of aircon, both in the bedroom and in the sitting room. Now we go on to the second house. Just to mention, the first house we looked at, he's currently renting out for 20,000 pesos per month. This house is renting out at 25,000 pesos per month. So if you live in the first house and rent out that second house, that's a return on investment of about 4.5%, which is pretty good when you think about that you have a house that you're living in for free. So to me, this is a really good investment for anyone who wants to live in one and rent out the other, as it's a lot easier to rent out while you're living there, obviously. This second house is approximately 80 square meters, and there are multiple ways of getting in. It's basically made of glass all around, so it's a very open in the manner that during the day when you take the curtains to the side, it looks like you're outside basically. So it's very nice. The people who have rented this have loved this one because it also comes with a jacuzzi, and you'll see that later. It also comes with a mini bar that you see to your left side. And where I'm going in now is actually, my friend uses it as an office, but it could be used as a bedroom if that's what you want it to. And as you can see, from there you can walk out and go into the kitchen if you wanted to from the outside, but there's also an entrance from the inside. And it's got a split type aircon both in the sitting room and in the bedroom. So it's really well furnished. As you can see, the furniture, the sofa is basically, I think, 1 year old. Oh yeah, and this house was built in 2019, I believe, and the other one, the first one we looked at, was built in 2013. And everything you see here comes with the house, the oven, the refrigerator, everything. To me, this is a good investment. What else is there? Of course, the bathroom here has a great shower, by the way. One of those showers with multiple heads. And here you're looking at the bar, which is a nice little addition. really, what can you say about a bathroom? Except the shower here, as you can see, is one of those showers with a nice shower head and several shower heads, and nice pressure as well. He has a little motor that increases the pressure of the water. So plenty of fans in there as well. A 70-inch TV, 65 or 70-inch TV that comes with the purchase. This is the master bedroom for the second with split type aircon for the second bedroom, and you can actually see the jacuzzi. You can actually go from the jacuzzi from the bedroom into the jacuzzi if you wanted to. That glass door slides open and closes as well. So this area is a nice little area to sit and have a coffee if you wanted to, or just enjoy the jacuzzi at night. Later on, you'll see the jacuzzi on at night because I'll show you some pictures and film from nighttime. So that's how it looks like from further away, the jacuzzi. The jacuzzi seats at least 2 or 3 people easily. So this is, to me, this is the perfect house if you're a single guy, to be honest. Jacuzzi, bar, plus a little rental place beside there that rents for $20,000. And with the rents going up, you could probably get more. But that's the kind of rent he's charged for several years. So that's what he keeps charging. But I'm sure if you could easily increase it to 22, 23, maybe even 25 with today's market. So to me, at 6.5, this is a really good buy. And the reason he is, well, here you see the jacuzzi at night with the colors. And it's also, as you seen earlier, that the ceiling is made of glass, so you can look straight up at the sky at night, which is great, you know, with the stars and everything. So it's like I said, this is a wonderful house if you're a single guy. And even if you have a girlfriend, it's still a nice house, but especially if you're a single guy, this is a dream house. So I took some more pictures from the outside to show you, or some video actually from the outside to show how it looks like at night. It's all lighted up. And this house, the concrete house, was actually built by an American, and the glass house was built by a Norwegian. So the build quality is top notch. There are no cracks, no issues at all with the house. And I was there for 2 years, and we didn't have any issues. So again, the price is $6.5 million for both homes, and they're sold both. They're not sold separately, and everything you saw in the film, in the video, comes with the sale price. To contact the seller, I'll put some contact information in the description with the price and square meter and everything else that I mentioned, all the specifications that I mentioned. Thank you for watching, and good luck if you're bidding for the house.